What's up guys, this is Alex for TVape TV. Solid choice getting the Flowermate V5 Nano. Let's go over some quick cleaning tips to ensure you get tasty vapor with this unit every time. First, we'll go over the materials you'll need, then we'll get into cleaning and maintenance. Before you start cleaning your V5 Nano, make sure you have the Zeus Purified Cleaning Solution diluted 40% with water, fresh water, paper towels, Zeus grime sticks, and Zeus bristle pipe cleaners. The V5 Nano is really easy to clean. All you need to do is care for the heating chamber and the mouthpiece. To clean the heating chamber, first unscrew the mouthpiece. Then take a Zeus grime stick and snap the top, letting the alcohol drain to the bottom. Swab the inside of the chamber. To clean the mouthpiece, remove it, separate it into two pieces, and soak it in your Zeus Purify solution for about half an hour. Then rinse and towel dry. Take these pieces and use your Zeus bristle pipe cleaner to dislodge any remaining particles. Then reassemble. To ensure no alcohol particles are left behind, heat the device up to the highest temperature and let it run through 3 cycles. For best care, we recommend that you brush out your chamber after each use with a Zeus bristle pipe cleaner. This will help get out any extra particles and prep your V5 Nano for your next session. And that's it! We hope you enjoy your V5 Nano and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Like and subscribe if we helped you out. I'm Alex, and as always, keep vaping.